how to change password on Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the password on your Facebook account within the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Facebook app, then select the three lines in the top left of the app next to Facebook. Once the menu opens, scroll down, select Settings and Privacy, and then just select Settings. Now that we're in the settings and privacy, select Account Center at the top, and then select Password and Security. All we need to do now is select Change Password, choose the Facebook account that you want to change your password on. After that, you can enter your new desired password and then re-enter it. At the bottom here, you also have the ability to log out of all other devices. So if you think that your account may have been hacked, select that. And then once you change your password, it'll log out every device that's currently logged into your account. Additionally, if you forgot your current password, you can select Forgot Your Password, and it'll take you through some steps to change your password without your current password. So once you enter all that in, select Change Password, and then your Facebook account password will be changed. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.